What's going on? Rick Pedro, Diamond City Jewelers. I'm here to talk about Synchrony. Synchrony is not a hot link on our website. If you want to get approved for Synchrony, let me tell you a few things about it. Probably the largest finance company in the world. I go back to the jewelry business in 1985. Diamond Center and Crescent Jewelers, Samuel's Jewelers, you remember them? And Synchrony was actually called at that point GE Capital. So you have to have really good credit, like the high 600s and 700s. The reason you want to have good credit, so if you're trying to build up your credit, go above and go American First or Acima and watch the video at the top of this page. But if you already got really good credit and you want to buy jewelry at the lowest price I've ever sold the jewelry for in my entire 38 years and lower than the last year, my volume's increased, which allowed me to buy bigger, to lower my prices and bring that savings to you, okay? Synchrony, great company, reports to all 3 credit bureaus, but they only deal with the best of the best credit scores. So you gotta have a high credit score, the high 600s, 700s. They offer up to 18 months no interest. So now you guys wanna know, why do I keep talking about a good credit score? Because you can buy things for free when it comes to interest, right? And no down payment. So no down payment, 18 months, up to 18 months, no interest. Go ahead and DM us or call us and we can go ahead and send you the link right to your email. You can get it pre-approved. Now you know how much you're approved for before you even book your in-store appointment. You have to be in-store to use them though, to sign. They're very particular about that. So if you already got great credit, you wanna save a bunch of money and buy your jewelry from Diamond City Jewelers and the Pedro family, we'd love that. Go ahead and call the store or DM us and we'll send you the link and they'll get you pre-approved for up to $10,000, no down payment, up to 18 months no interest. That's why you have good credit. Have a blessed day.